Hey there, it's Jane Wilson, and I'm thrilled that you are checking out my YouTube channel called PoleFit Nation. This channel is a documentation of my pole career. I have taught over 10,000 people how to feel strong, sexy, and confident. I owned a popular pole dancing studio called PoleFit Nation. I've been featured in Canadian Living and on Cityline. I won the Masters Division twice in Canada, and I'm currently writing a book called The Up to No Good Club, Designing a Life with Strength and Swagger. The tutorial videos on this channel are specific to beginners. I love beginner pole students. Be sure to subscribe, be sure to comment. I update this channel weekly, and I look forward to sharing this pole journey with you. Cheers.